Hello, welcome to Minute English with Danny. Today we'll learn common expressions you can use every day in English. We use please to be polite when we ask for something. A coffee, please. Can you help me, please? We say thank you to show gratitude, and we answer with you're welcome. Here's your coffee. Thank you. You're welcome. We use excuse me to get someone's attention or to be polite in public. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Excuse me, can I pass? We say, how are you, to ask about someone's feelings. Hi, Anna. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. We say nice to meet you when we meet someone for the first time. I'm Tom. I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. We say sorry to apologize. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I don't understand. Let's see a short conversation.
Excuse me, can I have a coffee, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
By the way, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Oh, sorry, I have to go now.
No problem. See ya.
Great job. Now you can use these common expressions in English every day. See you in the next video.